everyone. So today am going to be using some leftover paints from my last pour. And I was thinking that we will do a white base this time. And I'm going to practice with my Blowout some more. So I have the rose gold pigment that I used. Which I need to give that a little bit of stir. And then we have that custom charcoal. Titanium Buff Light. And I have that Dusty Rose, but I don't know. I think I want to use it, but I'm not sure. It's a little bit too purplish for me. So I'm not real sure if I'm going to use that or not. Oh, there's something in my paint. Does anyone else recycle like every plastic thing they get their hands on? I like everything. These are my husband's ice cream containers. They work great for holding paint. I hope I mixed up enough. I'm not sure if I did. That's questionable. Dog hairs. Now, so what I'm thinking is I want to go across and make a couple of blooms that come off. So let's see here. Let's start with charcoal. This is kind of full. Now let's come in with our titanium buff white. And our rose gold. I want rose gold to be prominent, so I'm gonna do an extra layer of that. Now let's blow her out.
She sits down with a plan, white canvas in her hands, flowers flowing light and dark, one clean breath, one small spark. Then the hairdryer moves the paint, and the whole thing starts to shake. She leans in, tries to fix it, but it only slips and bends. Petals of perfection, petals of perfection. Out of the negative, she pulls the light through. Petals of perfection, petals of perfection. Shades of rose gold shine right through the black. Charcoal leaning on the edge, titanium buff, soft and spread. She gets her brushes out again, build the shadow, builds the stem. Every stroke a careful brace, every line finds its place. What was wrecked begins to bloom from the mess, a clearer view. Petals of perfection, petals of perfection. Out of the negative, she pulls the light through. Petals of perfection, petals of perfection. Shades of rose.
This is so pretty. What do you guys think? Do you love the colors? Is the white base better? I want to know, did I do better with my blowout? I think I did. It's gorgeous. Let me bring you in for some details here. I am so glad that I came back in with that dusty rose and drew the lines into the center. Look at those cells. There's just so much detail in this. It's gorgeous. The colors are phenomenal. And that blowout's not great, but it works really well together. I really like it. I want to know what you guys think. All right. let's wait for it to dry and I'll show you the dry results.
Alright, I want to know your thoughts. How did I do? What do you think of the colors? I love it. I think it came out beautifully. I am so excited that I'm getting better with my blowouts. So I really love how the petals came out on this one. There's a couple little things that I think I want to try to do a little bit different next time, but overall I love it. So let me bring you in for some close-ups here. I absolutely love the colors. That petal there, I think I would have blown out the whole corner next time. But overall, I think it's really pretty. I love how the colors came out in that bottom. My center is beautiful. I finally got it to where it doesn't all blend together and get all mixed. I love the top. It's gorgeous. That right there is my favorite. I am so glad that I came back in with that more purplish dusty rose and drew in my petals to define them a little bit more. I really like this one. I'm really happy with it. It dried perfect. I want to know your thoughts. Should I keep doing these? What colors do you guys want to see next? Alright, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all of the wonderful things. It really helps me to grow my channel, and it will help you to be able to see every time I post a new video. And just keep following along. I'm working towards reaching new goals, and I want to know what you guys think of everything, and if there's anything that you want to see different, let me know, because I'm not just doing this for me, I'm doing it for you guys too. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.